Hey guys, I'm in the EB Falcon and now today I am cleaning the interior up and I'm going to try and do a good job. I've got my wet vacuum and I'm going to hit the entire interior. I cleaned the WX the other day for the summer. This Falcon is getting dailied very soon. Make it immaculate again, because the interior is in really good condition, especially for almost a 30-year-old car, or 32 years old actually now. We're heading into 2024. So if I can get it extremely clean, I'll be really happy. That's the plan, go over it, interior, and then we'll go over the exterior just with a quick pressure wash because this has been sitting under a tree and some birds have decided to leave their mark on it. You can see it's pretty clean, but there's a lot of dirt. That's spilt milk. I don't know if this is going to come out, but stuff like that. But other than that, it's all right. Just a lot of rubbish, I fucking been really got to clean this car up. Give the seat a clean. I don't think this is coming out, but the seats are in pretty good condition anyway. So I'm happy if it doesn't come out. I just want to clean it up a lot. Just get the interior looking mint, because around the back, it's a bit of clothes, just shit everywhere from painting it, all that. So let's just clean it up. You can see where the birds decide to leave their mark. Just all over the car, really. But yeah, that's the part we painted the other day. It looks way better than before. Birds decide to shit on it conveniently, and then there's a spoiler. It's holding up. It's just this tree. Birds decide to shit on it, but we got the wet vacuum out today. And yeah, just gonna fucking smash it all out. Give it a nice clean. See how it comes out. But it's not a bad before, it's a good base to work on. Let's just get to it. You can see in the back, it's just jumpers. That's from the painting video, head unit. Had an ant issue when I first bought the car. I haven't touched the interior of this car once when I bought it. Not once, so shit just keeps accumulating. But it gives us a good excuse. Even up here, you can see, these are off center as well in here, the speakers, so just some basic stuff to go over. So yeah, I think this car will be more about cleaning it out than anything, but we'll give it a vacuum anyway. But nothing looks that dirty. We'll give it a go. It's weird being back here. I'm literally never in the back seat of this car, ever. And cleaning all this out, I'm getting stuff from when I first bought this car, the ant killer, and just the head unit. And still got the AC belt because it doesn't have an AC on it yet, which is a job I really need to get done because summer in the Melbourne is no joke. And if I'm dailing this car, you need an AC. That's all I'm gonna say. Original head unit. I highly doubt this has any value. Pioneer. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna hold on to this just because I made a lot of these, so I don't think there's any value. Just gonna put it in the box and chuck it out. So this vacuum is actually a wet and dry vacuum. So you wet and then it dries up the wetness. So this interior is pretty clean, and when you do wetten it, it doesn't fully dry it up, so it can be a bit of a pain in the ass just getting it dry. So I think I'm going to take it very easy on wetting it and focus on more just vacuuming the car. After all, it is just my daily. And, I'm not exactly pulling the carpets up and cleaning it, it's just a basic clean. But yeah, we'll hit it with the vacuum because it cleaned up alright, got all the shit out of it. It's amazing what a 5-minute clean can do, just cleaning shit out your car. I reckon that's going to do it for the back seats. Floors look pretty clean. There's a few stains that just aren't coming out. And then the back seats are just immaculate, Like I said, this interior is more just cleaning out all that shit more than anything, but now that's all out, it looks way better. Oh, how's that? The door lights work. Did that? Did I just kill that? Oh. Anyway, so yeah. No, it looks way better. But yeah, I'm happy about it. Must be a loose ground or something. Sweet. Alright, cleaning the front. First things first, just bring the seat all the way back just so I have enough space to do whatever I want. The front is way worse than the back for obvious reasons, but again, I think it just needs a tidy up and a good vacuum. These are the original carpets and there's no carpets on top of them. I'm quite on the fence about getting some carpets for this car. Carpets could fetch a bit of money though, so maybe some aftermarket ones. But something standard, same grey, but just I think I'd need it up the ground a bit more. I reckon I'll do that. Alright, first things first is tidy up.
This one definitely needs more of a vacuum than anything, that's for sure.
Holy shit, I didn't realize it was that dirty. Watch the seats when I hit them. What? That is crazy. I'm 100% wet soaking this now after seeing that. I wasn't going to. That is crazy. Well, the interior is done, starting from the front. Wow, what a difference. It's still got to dry up, so you're seeing a bit of wet spots. But honestly, that cleaned up nicely. Like, the seats, you know, there's no more of that fucking bullshit dust. Proper wet vacuumed it. I might get some carpets here, but look at that, nice. Vacuum the rug up there. Wow, does that look better? Even here, I just cleaned it all up. Just got the sunnies now. They live there. Wow, that looks heaps better. Gave everything just a wipe down as well. You know, not bad. Not bad. Vacuumed all up there. Seats look way more better, you know. Obviously there's a staining here, but that's never going anywhere. Definitely need to get some carpets, but yeah, look at that. That is so much more presentable. Even gave these a bit of a one over, you know. Not bad. Cleaned, you know. Very, very nice and clean in here. Even jumping in the back seats. Look at that. Look at those seats, how much cleaner they are. Even up here, the speaker spot, way better. Floors, iMac, pull this thing down, all clean. Much better spot to be. Next up is I'm going to clean the exterior. You can see there's just shit everywhere, just typical shit from being under a tree, you know, spots like that and all that, you know, just shit along here. So I thought I might as well get the clean. Like bird shit and stuff you want to get rid of your car anyway. So how about we go take it for a drive and give it a clean. Absolute day for it. There's the Mazda. One of the last times you're going to see this sorry thing on the road. What a poor thing. First things first is a bit of a cold start. Listen to that purr. Oh, what a note. Look at the cracked taillights. Replacing these, it's probably going to be one of my next videos up. You can see it's fucking fallen off, cracked. So those are going to get replaced. And the wheels. So some nice wheels. Bit of POV driving of the old Ford. Wonder how you guys will like this. But yeah, just going to go to the cleaner now. Give it a good clean up. Oh, what a note. It's just fuck cold as right now, so let her warm up a bit. Got to get this thing working bad, you know. Right now it's just natural breeze flowing through the car. So I have the AC. There's the WRX for the next 7 months. This guy's looking at me with the fucking phone on my head like, what the fuck? Looks so much nicer in here, just looking around. Just because of like how much cleaner it is. Like, it's crazy how much a quick clean can just freshen up these cars, you know. But yeah, definitely wheels are next and an alignment, because you can see this wheel is slightly off. So in a wheel alignment, and then just the 20-inch wheels. I got the tires, I got the wheels, I need spacers, which I'm just gonna get cheapy ones. Then I gotta fit the wheels, to the tires, and then get an alignment. This guy's fucking up my asshole. But yeah, other than that, I gotta get the windows tinted as well. So that's something I gotta get done ASAP, which will be on the agenda for sure. So wheels, and the tint, and then the rear tail lights. Those are the biggest thing, and just that back part. But other than that, you know, there's not much else. What a note. I love that exhaust note, especially once it gets a bit warmer. It starts doing the pops and cracks. It's not obnoxious. It's definitely a nice note. It's what day is it? It's the 31st today, so Happy New Year. You know, this video will probably come out in a few weeks though, because I got the WRX videos coming out, but Happy New Year or whenever it is. But yeah, hopefully you guys are happy about that. But yeah, just heading to the car cleaner. Gonna take it super easy, just a really basic clean. You know, I use my card and they're a bit stingy, they make you spend at least $6, so give it a really good clean. Shouldn't need too much, it's just more cleaning the bird shit off, because I hate bird shit on cars. I think it destroys paint. And you know, I've cleaned the interior, so might as well give the exterior clean. You know, I did it to the WX, just gave it a full clean over. I did to the VL when I had the VL, so I think it's just something cheap and easy to do. Spend a couple of bucks, it's a good day for it as well. So yeah, that's it, let's head to it. I only wanted to rinse it, someone's left fucking 2 minutes in it. And I only want to rinse it, so free wash for me. Alright. It's all clean. When it's clean, it looks alright, a bit fresher, but look at that. Always happens. Chips straight away. So annoying. If you know anyone that does resprays on a serious budget, I know there's someone that does them for 2.5K on Facebook, so I might just get that done, but at least the spoiler's holding up. A bit of cracks, but as you'd expect. But if you know anyone that does cheap resprays, let me know, I might eventually do it. For now, it's alright, but down the line, definitely gonna get done. Far from good, good from afar, this car. Cleaned up alright though. Not bad. Near new budge there. Yeah, definitely not bad. I might get a touch-up pen and touch it all up as well. But that's about it. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. You know, we've given the interior a really good cleanup and the exterior. And I think it's coming out really, really good. Like, obviously you've seen the final results, but they speak for themselves. Bit of wet patches, but that's really it. Like, I'm way happy with this. So what to expect coming up is simple wheels, the garnish, and window tint. So those are the three, probably all done within the next 2 months. And then maybe I'll paint around the skirts, not the skirts, the molding, just some black, and refinish the silver. I'm not doing it red anymore, by the way. Thought we'll leave it the Fairmont look. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. It goes a massive way for me. And if you want to see any of my other videos, feel free to check my channel out.